All right, it is our first day with VEXCode VR, and we have got several different challenges that we're going to do. Challenge number 1 is to drive around the castle and knock over all 5 buildings by driving the VR robot into them. So I'm going to click on this link right here that takes you to vr.vex.com. We need to make sure that we have got not blocks, but we are going to be using Python to do this challenge. So if the blocks pop up, we will just click New Text Project. I'm just going to discard it. And we need to scroll down to where it says Castle Crasher. So there's going to be all sorts of different options, and we will do all these different options one day. But right now, for this first challenge, we just want the one that says Castle Crasher. And when I click on that, it takes me back here. So why don't we, so let's see, right here, it says drivetrain.drive 4. So it's going to tell us it's going to go forward. It's going to go 200 millimeters. So that's what that means. So why don't we open our playground? And here's our robot. And here are all the different castles that we need to drive into. You can change how you look at the playground. So you could change it so it looks like that, or you could change it so that it looks like that. I like looking at it like this. So every time we open up a new project in the Python, the text-based, it automatically comes with this first line of code. So let's just see what this first line of code does. So it drove us from here to here. I know that sooner or later I'm going to want to drive into all of these. So I'm going to change how far forward it drives. So I'm just going to click hide. And then here, drivetrain.drive 4. We still want to go forward. We don't want it to go for 200. Why don't we try 800 millimeters? Let's go back to show, and then let's reset, and then let's click play. Oh, perfect. So we already got it to drive into one castle. Let's see. Let's have it turn to the right. And then let's see what happens. So hide. So now over here, underneath drive forward for 800, I'm going to go here on the left side of the screen. We've got all sorts of different options where it says drivetrain turn. If we did this one that says turn right, it's just going to keep spinning and spinning and spinning. We need to do the one that says drivetrain.turn 4. And I am going to put that right underneath my drive forward 4. And do you see how both of the D's are lined up? And then over here we've got this line saying that they are associated with this function that's called main, defining the function, def, and then main. So drive forward 800 millimeters, turn right 90 degrees. So show. So let's reset. Perfect. And then it turned. Awesome. And then I want it to go forward again, and then I will have it turn left so that it's going towards this one. So let's see, from here to here, I'm going to best guess is about 800. So I'm going to click hide. I'm going to grab drive forward 4. I'm going to put it right underneath. If we did the first one that just says drive forward, it's going to keep going, keep going, keep going. We always have to tell it how long to drive forward 4. So instead of 200, I'm going to change that to 800. And then after it does that, I want it to turn to the left. So I'm going to grab the one that says turn right. I need to click on right and delete that. And I need to type in left. And when I start typing it in, that pops up as well. And we want to go 90 degrees. Okay, let's go show. Let's reset. Play. It goes. Awesome. And then we needed to drive forward again. So let's go hide. I'm going to grab drive forward 4. I'm going to put it right underneath. And it automatically comes with 200. I'm going to say 800. And let's see what happens. Reset. Run. Perfect. Awesome. So that is running into 2 of the castles. Now you need to finish this code so that we get through, you run into all 3. So it's your choice which one you go to next.